Now let's learn the shortcut for recurring decimal to fraction. I know watching the previous video some might have felt that okay, it's a very long process. No, it is not a very long process, very simple shortcut. Let's quickly understand what is the shortcut. Step 1, step 2, step 3, there are only 3 steps, maybe not exactly 3 steps, only 2 steps, because in a fraction there are only 2 parts. One is the numerator part, another is the denominator part. To add more clarity, I have defined as 3 steps. So first, write the denominator and focus on the decimal part. When you are writing the denominator, you should consider only the decimal part of the given number. Then use zeros and nines for writing the denominator, and 9 for a recurring decimal digit, and for non-recurring decimal digit 0. And first write the recurring digit, obviously, because 0 at the first will not make sense. If you have zeros at the first, 0, 1 does not make sense. 0 and 1, right, is as same as 1 only, right? So 0 at the extreme left does not make sense. So that's the reason write the first for the recurring digit. Step 3, for writing the numerator, take the entire number without decimal part, entire number without the decimal point, remove the decimal point, take whatever the digits that take once and subtract with the non-recurring digits. Okay, may this sound, when I read the 3 steps without an example, may sound a little bit difficult to follow. We'll take a small example and we'll do this. Okay, let's take the same example probably. What is a fractional form of 34.723? Step 1, focus should be on the decimal part, right, while writing the denominator. So what is our decimal part? Decimal part has, this is the whole part and this is a decimal part. We have covered that in our decimal discussion. We also covered the digit, terms, digit values, place values, right? So decimal part here is 723, where 23 at the top means it repeats. So basically I can say 723, 23, 23, non-ending, right, non-terminating. So focus should be on the decimal part. Now step 2, while writing the denominator, use 9s for the recurring digits and use 0 for the non-recurring digits, and first write the recurring digit. There are 3 recurring digits, we will use 3 9s, but here there are 2 recurring digits, we will use 2 9s. For every recurring digit you will use 1 9. So 9 and 9, and of course non-recurring digit is 7 here, so you will put 1 0. For recurring digits use 9 for every, for every recurring digit use a 9, and for every non-recurring digit use a 0, and always write first the recurring digit, use a 0. So there are 2 recurring digits and 1 non-recurring digit, so obviously 990. Okay, now step 3, take the entire number as it is without the decimal point, that is 34723, and subtract with the recurring digits, which is, non-recurring digits, which is 347. That's all. Whatever the non-recurring digits in that number, doesn't matter whether it's in the decimal part or whole part, just subtract with the entire number as it is without the decimal point. Okay, so 34723 minus 347, which already discussed this, that subtraction is 34376 by 990. That's all. Okay, these are 3 steps which you have to do to find the fractional form of any recurring decimal. Okay, so we'll quickly do with one more example. What is the fractional form of 27 where 1 9, both of them are recurring? Very simple. Step 1, focus on the decimal part. Decimal part is 1 9 and both of them are recurring, so we will use recurring digits, means we will use 9 for every digit. So there are 2 9s. There is no non-recurring digit, so you don't worry about 0. Now as far as the numerator is concerned, take the entire number as it is, 2719 without a decimal, and remove the bar and subtract the non-recurring digits with it, which is 27. 2719 minus 27, 27, another 19 if I subtract, it will become 2700, another 8 if you subtract, right? So 19 plus 8 gives you 27, right? So if you subtract another 8, you will have 2692 divided by 99. If you don't like that way of subtraction, then do it your way, right? I guess everyone does this like this. So 9 and 7, 2, you have 11, you will borrow basically, right? You borrow basically, you get 11. So obviously here this is 9, obviously this will have 6, right? 1 borrowed from the 1. So 2692 divided by 99 should be the fractional form of 2719. Hardly it will take 30 seconds for you to do it.